Okay guys, back at it again. I got it on ultra wide, not on D-warp. Start her up on, she's running a little high-ish now. Here we go boys and girls, seatbelts on. Cold water. Connection is failed. De kade is vrij jongens, we kunnen weer over de kade. Looks like we're connected. Well, I don't think so. Oh, that's my old camera. I'm gonna go that way. Sorry. Therapy, boys and girls. Nothing less. Good sightseeing. Cabrio, we don't know what kind of cabrio. Oh my god, something like that. Up to the highway, just a little stretch, maybe 300 meters. Bit of stretch in her legs. subscribe. And please like and subscribe. We did all rondje already, but I put you in it. Still steady, no connection. A little bit high. Okay guys, still recording I think. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're doing some other things. So, thank you for watching. And I hope this sound is a little bit better, boys and girls. Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. We're gonna do a test drive. I got my Osmo Booyah mic here. No sound reduction. I was terrible with sound reduction. I got the windows closed. Temperature is down. I'm gonna start her up on oh yeah, I know it. Start her up on LPG. Do a little stroll around the bullock. Start her up with the windows open. Clean the windows. This mission is failed, connection failed, okay. Start her up. Running. Got front view. Take a look on the setting, so un momento por favor. Hey, hello YouTube, I'm back at it again. I cleaned out the car a little bit. As you can see, in the time lapse, I want to take you up close with the Booyah Mini mic. This is on the Google Pixel Pro. Maybe I can fit it together. There is a little bit dusty I see, but I cleaned that one out. That one, I had to clean this one, this side. Oh, and I cleaned the windows, so it appears for the best view, of course. Little walk around. For the absolute lovers under us, including myself. I like to watch it back also. Some sort of new hobby, eh? Photography. Moon so nice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See, the aerodynamica is a little bit gone here. Clip to a clip. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next ride. Oh, we're gonna take it for a spin later on. We're gonna test the mics again. Different settings.